I'm just kidding, guys. No, it's just a scratch. If you're new to this channel, this is a tiny home I bought from China. It's just showing you guys how to buy it and what it's like to install it. I also bought a tiny house globe or star dome. Just showing you guys the process and how it's doing. Today I was trying to do some work off camera. It was super windy, so you really couldn't hear much. We're back out here again today. Last week we found some water leaks in the house, and so I was trying to tighten it up, do some work off camera, and this bolt came off. So I was trying to re-screw it in, and slipped in a bit, hit my finger twice in the same spot, bleeding all over. It's just a scratch, but I figured I'd give you guys some clickbait. I also stepped on that cactus. Trying to figure out just how to seal this up. Ended up taking out this weather stripping that I put down temporarily, and just caulked everything up. I was kind of lazy and I didn't take off all the plastic. I was just tired and angry. Here I was just trying to pick it off, super annoying. Probably just need a razor blade to kind of break up the surface, but I just decided to go for it. Excuse the plumber butt crack, but I got a little excited there. So. Anyway, yeah, just caulking up the side. I'll show you everything, but basically I just did both of the lines that came down there. I did a really bad job, in all honesty. But even though it doesn't look pretty, I caulked the shit out of it, so there's no water's getting in. It's goopy and yucky, but it's watertight for sure. So they give you a lot of caulk, which is nice for sure. Not sure if I was supposed to use this for the trim, but I think waterproofing.
So they're gonna head out. I just busted my finger a little bit. Look at these terrible caulkings. But all that caulk is going to be used to put on that trim as well. And if that's the case, I mean, there's a ton of trim. We're never going to have enough. Like,
Ever. So, probably got to look for other caulking solutions. Did want to try this out though real quick. It's this thing I got from Temu.
I got a feeling there's no way this is going to work, right? You know, I got it before all the crazy tariffs, so just shenanigans.
Gonna see if it actually works. Maybe we can dig some posts with it. I mean, kinda. Like, they advertised it kind of as like a tulip ball planter, which is probably better. But like, if I did that and then took the post hole digger, well, that might actually work. Yeah, look at it go. I'm sure it's just gonna drain the crap out of my battery, but like, if I was to do that with my impact, that could definitely make it work. Just pulling up on the globe. Thankfully, it's all intact. Just gonna check it out, make sure it's still good to go. Looks like it's all still here, thankfully. I'd like to get a little bit more stuff supporting this. I don't know why it looked like it shifted, but yeah, it looks like it's all there.
Back out here with Mom and Vicky. It's still here. Main thing.
Here we are trying to put in the windows for the first time. We're not sure what these long rectangular things are, but maybe they gave it to them by accident. Anyway, we're just trying to figure out how to slip these windows in there, because it's actually a really tight fit. And I was like, there's no way we're going to be able to do this without undoing the whole thing, so I started undoing the window. That was wrong. I would have avoided doing that. I just wasted a good 5 minutes. Not the end of the world. They're easy to put back together, but still, waste of time. We ended up just ramming them in there tactically. If that makes sense.
Figured out that this just pops in. It's got a little bit of slack on the edges, but just drilled 2 holes through the back of this because for some reason they didn't have a backing, but now we should be able to put the door handle in. This is where we're at right now. It's like, so we ended up just putting it on the outside because we couldn't get it in the track. Also, our issues is just because it's on level, so we just ended up putting this in first and trying to put the track over it. I'm kind of done trying, so we're just gonna throw some screws on the inside and hope it doesn't blow away again. Throw the top back on and should be good. Just wrapping up here. Just finished. Didn't really show it, but we did have to drill these out to put them in, and it works good. And we did not do it properly. We didn't put in the rails. We have this big gaping thingy jig right here. It gets so hot in here that I don't even really want to fix it because I think the only thing it's good for is like a sauna room now. There's no way that fan, even with blasting AC, it'd be super hot in here. And these windows, oh, it's a nice thought. They don't really do anything. Yeah, everything else seems to be working okay. And we're gonna wrap this up for today.